How to fix Android voicemail not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, simply tap on the settings application of your device. As you do that, you can simply scroll down and tap on the apps option. Select manage apps and then tap on the search bar and search for the phone application over here. So as you search for the phone application, it will pop up over here at the bottom. So just search for the application of phone and then tap on it. Then tap on clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you do that, clear the cache and tap on OK. Next, simply go back and then tap on the settings again and then tap on about phone just to check you have an updated version of the software and the device over here. Now as its updates available, now you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.